Uneek family, welcome back to the channel. Today it is time to unbox our A box for March. Hello everybody, my name is Patrice, and if you're not familiar with me, here at Uneek Avon, I love to do unboxings for Avon, also tips, tricks, and tons more, including a Pokemon themed series for their 25th anniversary. And I love collaborating with the Carolina girls and my beautiful Uneek Squad. All of them will be listed down in the description box below. Well, today it is all about Bloom Me Up A box here on the channel. We are going to unbox, which I absolutely love doing, our wonderful A boxes. And if you got your A box, please let me know down in the description box below what is your favorite product in this box. I am so excited to get into this box. You have no idea. And if you want to know what is on my face, I will also leave it down in the description box below under a shop or video, either under brand or Avon products. So let's get started unboxing this beautiful, wonderful, exciting Bloom Me Up A box from Avon. My favorite sound in the whole world is what? Yes. Yes, besides hearing my husband's voice, I love hearing the pops from our A box container. So let's see what this beautiful box has in store. Oh, I love the packaging on this box. This is so beautiful, so fresh, and so spring-like, don't you think? Oh my gosh, look, it almost matches my lipstick. Oh my gosh. So let's take a peek and see what is inside this Bloom Me Up A box for the month of March. Ooh, I see a fragrance. I love seeing fragrances in A boxes. Yes, look how beautiful. Oh, let's dive inside and see what we have. So the first thing I see is this a new vitamin C, and this is the Brightening Eye Cream. This beautiful thing contains powerful combinations of vitamin C and helps leave your under eyes looking bright and more even skin. Just apply a smile mark underneath your eyes. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a self-care Sunday. Yes, I love getting little try me sizes of products. There it is. Inside of our A boxes, and there's that little beauty right there. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. It looks kind of dark coming out. Let me see what it looks like. And I don't get the subscription boxes like my other squad ladies. Oh, it's orange. Look at that, it's orange. So that'll be really fun to try out in a self-care Sunday and see how that goes. So that's gonna be really fun to see in a self-care Sunday and see how that goes. So woo. All right, the next thing I have in here is our Tone Up Primer, and this is from the Avon and Face Shop. And this primer is the Rose Pink, or the Pink Rose. And this Toned Up Primer is a color-correcting skin tone for bright complexioning and helps makeup last longer. Love a good primer, y'all. If y'all have ever seen any of my videos here when I do makeup, y'all know Mom is all about the primer. And there is her size there. And it says it's going to be pink. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it is pink. It is a color correcting pink color. And that's how it looks there. And I can't wait to give it a try when I do a Makeup Monday or even a wonderful collab video with my super awesome, amazing Carolina girls. So I will give this a try in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that and see how that works. Oh, I love getting these. This is a full size. This is an Avon True Colors liner, and this is in the color Sugar Plum. I'm absolutely in love with the eyeliner. I wear it all the time. The color I have right now is 24 karat, which I absolutely love. I love how it seamlessly glides. I love how soft it is, and it doesn't tug at the eyelids like normal pencil ones do. And I just love the way the beautiful finishes after it's done. But oh yes, try it. The last one is, I love when they give us deluxe size fragrance, and this is the Layers Sparklinggnoli, and this is enhanced with the freshness of flowers of bloom, crisp and vibrant. Sparklinggnoli entices and uplifts with bergamot, brightening notes of neroli, and warm musk. Ooh, it's going to be fun. Let me see how this smells. I love how it's in this like travel size, deluxe size. I love having those. Give it a quick spritz in here. You know, warming up in the air. Ooh. I smell lemon. Oh, I love the smell of lemon. I smell hints of lemon and a beautiful crisp smell. It's one of those smells that you can't put your finger on, but when you wear it a lot, it must be the bergamot. Oh, that's beautiful. That's going to be a beautiful light spring scent. I am so excited to give this a whirl. Usually I give all my deluxe sizes to my daughters, so I know they are really going to appreciate having this in their collection. So let's recap this Avon Bloom Me Up A-Box. Of course, we got the Layers fragrance, and this is the Sparklinggnoli. We also have the Avon Anew Vitamin C Eye Serum. We also have the Tone Up Primer from Avon in the Face Shop, and this was in the color Pink Rose. And we also have a True Glamour Stick in the color Sugar Plum. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was a wonderful A-Box. I cannot wait to use it in an upcoming video, either self-care or a Makeup Monday, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to head over to my e-store. It's always linked down in the description box below. This wonderful A-Box is only $10. That's right, $10. If you just do a simple order of $40 or more, that's it, and have this beautiful box. Get a beautiful A-Box every single month. This is the way I do my subscription boxes here on this channel. My subscription box is my A-Box. Hands down, for $10, and all I do is buy $40 worth of products, which I do anyway. So why not get myself something special in my own little subscription box from Avon every single month? Oh my gosh. I hope that you are liking the A-Boxes too. Let me know, did you like this Avon A-Box? Did you like it? I like it. Now, I am going to be really curious to see how the primer works, because I really love my Avon Magic Primer. Yes. And I am going to give this a good try. And I'll also do a review this also in the upcoming videos. I love the Sugar Plum. I use it in a ton of my videos when I do the Making Mauve palettes or any of my rich purple or pinks palettes. I love using that rich Sugar Plum. I've also used the Vitamin C line, but I also use it for my lips, which is the Vitamin C Lip Conditioner. So I'm really excited to see how the Vitamin Eye Cream Serum works underneath my eyes during a self-care Sunday. And I know my daughters are going to absolutely love their new Layers perfume. So that is all the time that we have for today. We hope that you enjoyed this wonderful unboxing of the Bloom Me Up A-Box. Let me know down in the comments below, do you get our Avon A-Boxes? And if you do, which one was your favorite? And I will also leave the playlist of all of our Avon A-Boxes linked down in the description box below. So from our family to yours, be kind, be happy, be courageous, God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Fallen one too many times, feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place, not to stay alone.